Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for fungal infections. Fungal infection is a very common problem these days. They can affect anyone and can appear on different parts of the body. Each and every person faces fungal infection once in their lifetime. First, let us know what is fungal infection. There are many different types of fungi. Some are edible like mushrooms. Some other type of fungi like aspergillus are extremely dangerous and can lead life-threatening diseases. Different types of fungi can cause fungal infections. Fungal infection occurs when invading fungus takes over an area of the body and is too much for the immune system to handle. There are different types of fungal infections. Common types are athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, fungal infection in nails, etc. Talking about symptoms, the symptoms of a fungal infection are dependent on the type of fungus. Skin changes, including red and possibly cracking or peeling skin. It can also cause itching and irritation. Sometimes a light swelling can also occur on that place. Now let us know what things you should avoid if you are having a fungal infection. You should not eat gram flour as it increases the infection. Do not share your clothes with your families or friends. At least bath twice a day. Try to wash your clothes separately. Do not eat more amount of sweet food or processed food or any other outside foods. Now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. So we'll be discussing 5 acupressure points today. 3 acupressure points are on the front side of our hand on the middle finger. Let us know that first. Our first acupressure point is on the first joint of the middle finger. If you draw a straight line from the middle of the first joint of the middle finger, then just below that line towards thumb is our point. See, if you draw a straight line from the middle of the first joint of the middle finger, so just below that line towards thumb is our point. This point is called as lever 3. Okay. Our second point is on the second joint of the middle finger. So just below the start of the second joint of the middle finger, exactly in the center is our point. Just below the start of the second joint of the middle finger, exactly in the center is our point. This point is called as SP6, spleen meridian 6th point. Our third point is on the last joint of the middle finger. Just below the start of the third joint of the middle finger, just below it is the third point. See, towards thumb is that point. On the start of the last joint of the middle finger, just below that line towards thumb is our point. This point is called as SP10, spleen meridian's 10th point. We'll press each point properly for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. See, like this, press all the 3 points for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. After that, so over here on this points, you can do magnet therapy or seed therapy. For seed therapy, we'll take a fenugreek seed, or you can also say it as methi dana. On a paper tape, we'll take a small fenugreek seed over here and apply that seed on the point properly. Okay. Press and apply it properly like this. Okay. These points are bilateral. That means you need to do these points on both the hands. So if you are applying a fenugreek seed or methi seed, then what you need to do is you need to apply it for 8 hours. And whenever you remove it, you need to throw the seed as well as the tape. Do not use the same seed or tape again. On the next day, take new paper tape with new seed on it. Do not use the same seed again. For magnet therapy, we'll use this small Biol magnets. You can also say it as tonification sedation magnets. if you are not having this magnets and if you want to buy this magnets, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which there all these magnets and every product which is used in basic acupressure is been included. So you can check that out. I have made a video on it. You can check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. You can buy that kit from us so that you can be able to use the magnets too. We'll apply the magnet in such a way that from the outside you can see the yellow part of the magnet, and from the front side, that means this white side will touch the skin. Okay? Apply it properly. In the same way, you need to apply this magnet on the other 2 points also. Okay? So now let us know so on the back side of the hands we have 2 points. Okay? So now let us know about them. The back side of the hand on the index finger, if you can see this first joint of the index finger, just above that joint towards the mizar point. See, just above that joint, that first joint of the index finger towards the mizar point. This point is called as LI4, large intestine, 4th point. Okay, and our 5th point is on the last joint of the index finger. See, you can see this joint. Okay, this line of the joint. Yeah, just on that line itself towards the mizar point. This point is called as LI11, large intestine, 11th point. So on this points also, what you will do, you will press for 2 to 3 minutes properly on each point, properly for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we'll apply a magnet, or you can also apply seeds on it. Okay, so for magnets we'll apply white side touching skin. Okay, so from the back side you can see yellow color. Okay, so we'll apply it like this. Properly apply it like this. All these points are on both the hands, so you can also treat this on the other hand also for better results. You need to apply this magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you remove that tape, now you need to throw that tape and keep all the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use them for the next day also. See, magnets do not expire. You can use it for lifetime. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel.